Hold on. Hold on. Go ahead.
No, I don't want to do it when she's there because the
Harley, come here.
Yeah, don't hit her.
Come here. Come here.
Put it on the table.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Joyce, and I'm here to tell you, yes, you can do something about your IRS tax problem, and yes, you can.
She's eating it. Did you kill it?
Just got it hung out. What is that, Harley?
Do it again. Hey, hey. Hey. Do it again. Hey, hey. Do it again. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Do it again. Do it again. No, do it again. Hey. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Harley, stop. The tongue is going after it. Do it. Oh. She got it. She killed it.
Come on, give me this. Give me this.
She break it?
Look.
It needs to be killed.
Harley, look.
Come over here.
Look, look.
Give me this.
Tyler, Chris and Christine have the night off. Instead of a white Christmas so far, it's looking like a woo! Look at that! What is that, Holly? You?
It's going to kill you. Oh no.
She's gonna jump on that table. No.
Hey.
We have gotten a little bit of a break in some parts of the place that you can see where we have the clouds and not the rain.
Come over here.
Also see that we're starting to
Hey,
wait,
hey.
I want to see what she does with this. I want to see what
She's gonna try. She's gonna eat it.
She's gonna rip it apart.
To her, it's alive.
a little bit to drizzle or light showers over the past hour. What we're looking at is an area of low pressure and this trailing cold.
How come you can't keep it up?
Come over
Hey,
here.
hey.
Closer this evening, we will see a return to steady rain before the system is finally a memory.
How come you
So
can't keep it
tonight,
up?
we'll see the rain pick up again with some light to moderate showers before it all starts to taper off and move away.
Come over here. Stop it. Stop it.
Is this a debit one there? Yeah. So it's going to be a warm, windy, and rainy night. Of course, you'll have your Christmas forecast
Come on.
coming up in just a little
Okay.
bit.
Jim, all of our bills are in there. How are we paying those bills?
Take a look at his flight tracking.
Do it now.
Planes are in the air tonight. Icy conditions have stranded
Hey,
passengers
hey.
from coast to coast.
Come over here.
Newark Airport has seen the worst
Come,
delays in the
come over here.
Oh, look at this.
Stop it.
flying out, but the people
Let go of it.
to Newark. CBS2's Hazel Sanchez.
Let go.
Hazel, what
She won't let go. She just ate it.
Oh,
She just tore it apart.
She tore it apart.
What do you expect when you keep
But some of those flights are actually delayed as much as 3.5 hours because of weather conditions elsewhere. A lot of those that we spoke with out here
It's still
tonight
going.
say they were
Oh, you've got to kill it. You haven't killed it yet.
It was a relative holiday dream come
Where-
true for
where?
travelers at
Do it again.
Liberty International Airport. Lines were bearable and delays were minor. My flight is
Hey, hey.
several times, as a matter of fact.
Why are you telling her no when you're teasing her with it?
Because that's part of the fun.
I'm shutting it off.
Harley, come here. Harley, come here. Good girl. Good girl.
Come over here.
Go.
Come over here.
Go.
Hey,
Go.
come here.
Oh, I don't have it. I don't have it.
You got a fragile little thing like that, and she's going